Hello everyone and welcome to another genuine how-to. Today we are going to show you how and when to do a 5-point check. Checking your car before a long drive is incredibly important, but it's just as important when it comes to day-to-day driving. And it takes no time to do. Genuine. Okay, so let's check out the checks. It's best to check your tire pressure when the tires are still cold. So get yourself a tire pressure monitor so you can always check the pressure at home. There's a sticker here in the door seal that'll tell you the recommended pressure your tire should be pumped to. Do a visual inspection of your tires. Check for wear using these wear indicators. Check for nails, tears in the sidewalls, and bubbles. If you have any of these, get them sorted immediately. And don't forget to check your balance and wheel alignment at least every 10,000 kilometers and before long drives. You can book it on the My Toyota app. Takes 5 minutes flat. And we have a video to show you how to do that. And if you want to know how to change a flat tire, we've got a video for that too. Genuine. If your model of a car doesn't tell you the oil level, you can check it out yourself. Wait 5 minutes after switching the engine off. Pull out the dipstick, give it a wipe, then put it back in fully before pulling it out again. Now you can check the oil level. If it's below this mark, you will need to top it up. Check your manual for the right grade for your car. Do this once a month. Never ever check your coolant level when the engine is hot. Not only will the reading be wrong, but this liquid gets superheated and you can easily burn yourself very badly. Here's the reservoir. You can see it has low and full marks. If level is low, top up with Toyota Genuine Super Long Life Coolant. Check this once a month. The other fluid to check every month is your washer fluid. If you're running low, add Toyota Genuine Window Washer Fluid and top up with water. Well, there you have it. Easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Genuine. If you found this useful, please like our video and subscribe to the channel.
And if you'd like to see another Toyota how-to that you'd like us to do, leave a note in the comments. Until next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Wait, it's like
What TikTok?
Oh, okay. Ra TikTok.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, boy.